But the story that's breaking on the news today, tonight, this Friday night, Iran has launched 35 missiles now at Israel in another barrage. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu today visited an Israeli Defense Force intelligence base. Iran claimed on Friday that it would not discuss the future of its nuclear program while under attack by Israel. Remember, America has been putting pressure on Iran to come to the negotiating table. Clearly, though, the war therefore escalating all the time. 35 missiles launched by Iran, Israel hitting back and targeting establishments close to nuclear sites. I want to go to our correspondent at the very latest. Shivani Sharma joins me from Tel Aviv. Shivani, presumably you're at the hub of all the action taking place. Give us a sense of the mood in Tel Aviv at the moment, a city which has been the worst affected by those missile strikes.
Rajdeep, I'll try to show the pictures because pictures speak louder than words. And here, this is the area which has been hit by an Iranian missile right in the place. This happens to be the financial hub of Israel. You see, this is the building that was hit yesterday by a rocket that came in from Iran. This whole area was hit severely. And these buildings, which are the offices of multiple companies, this happens to be the most busiest area in Tel Aviv. But here you see the roads are deserted, Rajdeep. This is severely affected. You see where the rocket had hit yesterday and to a place across the road. It happens to be around 70 meters, Rajdeep. But these buildings, they've been hit in severe manner. See, this is the building that has been broken. This whole area is now deserted. There is nobody inside these buildings now. The police has been sitting here and nobody is allowed to move closer to this area. So this is just one building like this, Rajdeep. There are several others. I've been here since morning and I've been trying to reach more places, talk to people, and people say that certainly the lives are impacted. They are not coming out. They want to stay protected in the zones where they can just reach out to the shelters in no time, because there have been sirens all day, and sometimes they are going to the shelters 10 times a day. So this is the kind of situation. You can see this road happens to be one of the busiest roads in Israel, close to Tel Aviv in normal days, but this is deserted now. You hardly see people out here. Only those who have some very important work, they are coming out, and many of them are also in transit, leaving to the places which are more protected. In fact, today morning there was a hit at Haifa. That's been told at Siba also. And when I came here, immediately after that there was a siren sounded. We went to a shelter, and right then again there was an attack. We could hear the explosion, though this was a place quite far away. So lives are impacted certainly, and the situation seems to escalate with each day. Rajdeep.
Okay. Shivani Sharma joining me there from Tel Aviv, telling us how sirens are there virtually every few hours, people going into bunkers, so clearly taking no chances given the nature of the attacks of the Iranian missiles. I appreciate you joining us, and stay safe there, Shivani Sharma.